All right, we're heading down the highway here, I-35 south. It's kind of busy, but it's what you expect on a Sunday. People going back from the north. We had a good time up there in Cloquet, Minnesota. Went to that beautiful waterfall area, took a hike, and the KOA was nice. Nothing to write home about, but it was a good KOA. And now we're headed south, and tonight we're going to boondock at a Cabela's. Haven't done that in a while. So the good thing is we have a friend that we've known for many, many years named John Esch, and Shar, his wife, and we're going to stop and go out to dinner with them tonight because they live near this Cabela's south of Minneapolis. So have a beautiful day, nice and sunny. The only weird thing we had going on was the car, the all-wheel drive, had a message come on saying needs serviced. So I looked it up in the manual and I tested it with the OBDC meter that I have to see if there were any engine messages, and there were no codes whatsoever. So I turned the car off, waited 30 minutes, turned it back on, and the message went away. So the only thing that concerns me is that in order to tow that car, you're supposed to turn it on all-wheel drive. So if the all-wheel drive isn't functioning and won't turn on, can we still tow it, is the big question. Hopefully we never have to find that out. Actually, this is our long trek to Arizona. We're just breaking it up, visiting a lot of people along the way. Catch y'all later. Okay, we had a great night there at Cabela's, and the best part was we got to meet up with our old friends John and Shar Esch, and they're wonderful Christian friends of ours, and we went out to dinner at Famous Dave's. Just had a great time catching up and learning about all 6 of their kids and where they're living and what they're doing, and what John and Shar are doing in the church on the worship team, and a lot of good stuff going on. So now we're headed back down the road, headed to Des Moines, Iowa. We're supposed to be there in about 2 hours and 28 minutes. So this is definitely a little longer stretch of the highway for us to, usually we try to keep it in 2-hour bites. Yesterday was almost 3, today's 2.5. Adventureland's closed, but the campground's still open for a while, so we're going to stay there for a couple days. Everything else is going good. I really can't complain about anything. The RV is getting ready here to roll over to 30,000 miles in just 9 miles. So in 2.5 years, we've done a lot of exploring. It had 6,000 on it when we got it, so we've put 24,000 on it in over 2 years. That's reasonable. So everything's going good. Catch ya later. Okay. 29,999 miles. We're about to see the big rollover. Come on, baby. There it goes. 30,000.
I hoped we were gonna make it.
See anything that says what?
He promised we would find the time, dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories. Yeah, we hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to.
All right, we're back on the road. I really am not going to have a whole lot of interesting video for you all for a while. We stopped in Ankeny at Adventureland Campground. I didn't even video there. It's very boring. Most of the people that live there are permanent people, and most of them are gone all day at work, so it's a very quiet campground. And now we're heading across western Iowa on 80. Not too bad truck-wise. And we are going to my cousin's town of Clarinda, Iowa. And we're going to stay at Nodaway County Park. Hopefully it's still open and the water's still turned on. Getting late in the season. And we'll be there for a couple days before we head to Omaha and see our grandkids. But I really don't imagine that we'll have much video for you, because it's all pretty boring stuff that we've done a bunch of times before. I'm not going to bore you all. Over and out.
Where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say. Now looking at it, keep me going back to those days. Capable of keeping track of how many nights slip past. Cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee. Dreaming of where we could be from the back of your dad's red truck. No one thought I was gonna make it. No one believed I'd take the time for realizing my own dreams and taking care of you and me.
Yeah, you're right, there's
We
water.
were always gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way.
All right, we're at Nodaway State Park, and there's about 3 other campers here, and gotta go over and pay at the pay station. And I got Starlink set up. That's our site right there. Nothing much going on around here. Got some tent campers behind us. They look kind of homeless. And the 2 men sitting at the table and 4 kids just got off the school bus and came to the tents. So let those little kids go to school and then come back to the campsite. It's about 80 degrees. Wish I had more exciting video for y'all. I've been here before, nothing fancy to show you. Just a little county park. What you doing? Tokyo's in the drawer. Hey, Tok, what you doing? Found a hiding spot? What are you doing? What you doing in there? Okay, we're on the farm here
This is a fun.
in Iowa, southwestern Iowa, and gonna check it out.
Yeah.
They're bacon.
Yeah, I saw that. Black one. Those are pretty chickens. Geese.
you want me to throw it to you? That's quite the windshield wipers.
Yeah, you're talking. The red one, and they're on separate runs.
The blue ones.
Down here. Because the yellow too hollow.
They're taking off. And they're like, no. Hey guys, it's okay. Be afraid. You guys are nice. Don't be afraid.
You want to come home with me? I got 2 cats.
Hey guys, or girls. Yeah, look at you. Got flies all over your face. Don't have to worry.
I was hoping that that's the way they'd go once we started coming in here. Rather,
Hey, this one's not afraid. Oh, says all right. Yeah.
and then in a few weeks, I don't know what the time frame is, but then they'll probably with our new herd.
You guys got brave all of a sudden. Says, hey, I want to see. Don't like to be on video?
Bigger than they'd say. Now looking at you, you keep me going back to those days. Capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap hotels and driving fast. And the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and blue grass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee. Dreaming of what we could be from the back of your dad's red truck.
800 feet, turn left.
Those days we were invincible. Splitting up would be unthinkable. Though at times it made me cynical, I wouldn't change a single thing.
Lower on the floor, turn right, then turn right.
You keep me going back to those days, incapable of keeping track of how many nights
Put eye
could
low left.
pass. Cheap motels and driving fast. And the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila.
All right, we had a great weekend with the grandkids. Didn't really do a whole lot other than just hang around the house with them. Took them to Chili's and whatever, but we just had a great time.
Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee.
So then we started heading west from Omaha, and we stopped in York, Nebraska, where we happened to pass paths with our good friends Tar and Megan, and they were headed from California to Rhode Island. And it just so happened that we met up at just the perfect time in York. And we were able to stop at a Huddle restaurant and fellowship and pray together, and we just had a great time.
Continue on Real 01 south to Bacalat.
From the back of your dad's red truck.
Continue on I-80 north for 77 miles.
So now we're headed on west. We're going to Kearney for a couple days. And you know the drill. We go to Kearney, then at the Buffalo County Fairgrounds, and then we go to Julesburg, Julesburg, Colorado, to the rest area. And I'm not doing much video in this trip back to Denver because you've seen it all before. And it's pretty flat and boring around here. And fortunately, nothing bad is happening to us. So we have no news.
Looks like there's somebody over the road at water. It's not on this side, though.
So this is the humdrum routine life of full-time RVing, which is the way we like it. Peaceful, calm, everything working, cruising 65 miles an hour down a flat, smooth highway, full tank of gas. Couldn't be better.